Good morning. I am actually in a really good mood. So lately I have been, I was in a little bit of a funk, and also I was getting sick. It was weird. I was feeling some sickness on Thursday and then on Friday, and then I started to feel a little bit better on Saturday, and then today is now Monday and I feel a lot better. So I'm about to make us some breakfast, and I'm going to clean up the kitchen at the same time. I did clean up last night. I'm really working on cleaning as I go so that I don't have a big mess, because last week my house was a total disaster everywhere. I am going to make some pancakes and some eggs. So I do have a little bit of dishes that I do need to wash. My current favorite pancake mix is this one by Birch Benders. And this one is just add water. I just add almond milk to this. So now that breakfast is all done, I'm going to clean up the mess that I created. But has anybody heard of honey and garlic for colds? This is unfiltered honey. I really want to start doing things with natural ingredients to help put me back on the path of being healthy. I do want to do my hair today because it is Monday and I want to film 2 videos today. I really need to start cleaning. So now that the kitchen is cleaned, I have to start working on this vlog. But because I need this memory card, I will talk to you guys when I'm done. Okay, so I ended up getting a bookshelf off of Amazon. Now these clips are not from the same day, but I just wanted to add it into this video. I have always wanted a bookshelf, and I finally found one that I thought was going to be really cute. I did not think about putting it together, you guys. This thing was like, it took me a long time, okay? I didn't like it. I was getting irritated, so I called my friend, and he actually came over and put the rest of it together in less than 5 minutes. Now, I did do part of it, so, you know, that's probably why I contributed, but I was just shocked at how fast he moved. Now I have a place where I can put all of my books, and I am so freaking excited. Okay, so me and Wyatt are currently doing the hair porosity test. Now this is just vinegar and baking soda I have in this bowl, but in this bowl,
it's just water.
I have our hair.
It's just,
I don't know if you can see that, but my hair is right here. And my hair floats. Wyatt's hair somewhat floats, but his kind of sunk to the bottom. Like, I know you're supposed to do this in a cup, but yeah.
It's just strange.
And I put my hair in this vinegar mixture, and it's like still floating to the top. So according to that, I have low porosity hair.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Wyatt, I think you have medium porosity hair.
What?
Stop, boy. What? Oh my God. All right. Wyatt's about to try lemon.
Okay.
Come on. Yeah. See what he's done? He put a lemon. You better not eat that lemon. I can just stay